As we begin our journey for today's tour, of course, we'll be passing by the several points that they have on this map. However, we are to take into consideration that this journey is estimated to take 7 hours. Firstly, we'll be visiting the old steam hoist, after which we'll be reaching our first destination, which is Big Drop Waterfall. Depending on the time that we take to reach, we'll be able to enjoy a bath and so on. Having left that area, we'll be moving to Peck's Waterfall, after which we'll be reaching to Tears of the Jaguar Waterfall. We'll then leave and have a moment at the upper Bocawina Waterfall, and then finally, hello man, here heading to Big Drop Waterfall. We haven't even reached the first one yet, and the entire crowd is already way behind. We don't know what time they will be coming, but even me, I'm tired already. Let's go back home. So after a long walk, almost hour and a half, we finally reached to a spot where I'm supposed to decide if I'd go to Peck Waterfall or to Big Drop Waterfall. And of course, if I take Peck Waterfall, it'd more likely be me heading out. So I prefer to take Big Drop Waterfall. I begin. I'm heading to enjoy myself. It'd be nice if you could one day come and enjoy yourself as well.
We're hiking, right? Use one rope.
Crystal! Ebe na Maritza! Yo. Look at Mar, look at Mar! Look at him! Así somos nosotros los americanos. Here we're continuing our journey. We're moving away from Big Drop Falls and we're heading now to Peck Waterfall. It's not an easy journey, but we're gonna walk and walk until we reach. Perhaps we finish visiting the 5 waterfalls by 7 o'clock tonight, depending on the strength that we have. But that we visit the 5 waterfalls today, we will visit them. Well, this ain't no waterfall as yet, as we head to Peck's Waterfall, but it's good enough to quench your thirst, and I'm thirsty. Here we continue to enjoy the beautiful view of Peck's Waterfall. And of course we have this section here where you can actually climb. Let's take a little climb up the side. Here we go. We'll see what we have way up there. Of course, when climbing these areas, you're supposed to be very careful. Can be slippery, especially if you are already wet. And we have Kevin over there. We continue, we continue. Yep. Let's see how beautiful it is up here. Yeah. Here we go. And of course, we can admire the beauty from up here, looking down. Very nice. And at this point, we say goodbye to Peck's Waterfall, and we begin our journey to Tears of the Jaguar Waterfall. Hope I got the name correct. We begin our journey. Got you back. I'll get back to you when I'm there enjoying. We made it to Tears of Jaguar. Here we are. We have some big rocks here, kind of slippery. We're heading up to see how beautiful it is. And here we are. Here's the waterfall. Very beautiful. I'm heading over to see if there's somewhere where I can take a bath or something. Dip in. There's this big log here, and here we are. Well, it's shallow. You can actually just go nearby and admire its beauty. Here, as we are about to leave Tears of the Jaguar Fall, we can see that I've already suffered my first injury. Slippers is gone. Not as easy task as we take this long journey, but it's time to move on to the other waterfalls. Get back to you when we reach the other ones. Bye bye.
Done.
So here we are at Upper Bocawina Waterfall. This has a nice area where you can take a dip, enjoy a bath. At this point, I'm already heading out, and of course on my way out, I'll be passing by the Lower Bocawina Waterfall. This is what it looks like as I head out. I do recommend that you come and enjoy yourself whenever possible. So I'm here at the Lower Bocawina Waterfall. I climbed to the top. This is how it looks. It's surely a sight of beauty. We have people bathing down there. At this point, I'll be heading down to check out everything down there.
Done.
So we have reached the end of our great journey. We visited the 5 waterfalls, and we have one person who cried at 3 waterfalls, who said she does not want to go home. Are you ready to go home, miss? She wants to stay at every waterfall. Oh my!